Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window cleaner is probably one of the most innovative gadgets you can own if you live in a multi-story building. Cleaning windows can be a real pain, especially when they're high up or difficult to reach. This tool makes the job so much easier, allowing you to clean both sides of your window simultaneously. It's a game changer for anyone who wants sparkling clean windows without the hassle or the risk of leaning out of a high window. Number 5. ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro, Smart Window Cleaning. Tired of cleaning windows? This robot attaches securely with strong suction, saving you time and keeping you safe. It handles the job, so you don't have to. The unique cross-spray technology keeps the mopping pad constantly wet. This helps dissolve tough stains easily. It makes cleaning more effective. This robot is built with high-quality materials and a precise gravity setting. The internal drive system ensures steady movement. It also protects against power failure, making it safe to use. The robot uses an effective forward-reverse motion in 3 modes. These modes include quick cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot stain removal. It ensures a complete and thorough clean. Even frameless windows are no problem for this device. High-precision sensors detect edges quickly. It fits the cleaning path within 0.02 seconds. What we like? This robot features a unique dual-cross water spray technology, ensuring a thorough and consistent cleaning. With its powerful 2,800 pascal suction, it attaches firmly to the window, making cleaning effortless. If you are looking for a hands-free, automated solution for sparkling windows, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The 3-nozzle water sprayer delivers a thorough clean, dissolving stubborn dirt and streaks without wasting water. Its ability to conquer massive floor-to-ceiling windows with ease. Navigation is flawless with, ensuring every inch is covered methodically. Number 4. Cleaning Brush Window Mold Cleaner. This window track cleaner is made of durable plastic and features dense, hard nylon bristles. The design ensures it's resistant to breakage and the bristles won't easily fall out or deform. It's built to last and handle tough cleaning tasks. The narrow, tufted end of the brush easily lifts stubborn grime. A scraper at the other end simplifies cleaning window frames. The built-in finger grips provide a secure hold, making the job easier. The elevated, ergonomic handle prevents injury and offers an unobstructed view while cleaning. It also includes a hanging hole for convenient storage, saving space in your home. Cleaning is simple, just use water. Wipe with the brush and sweep away the dirt. This tool fits perfectly into window gaps, making cleaning more effective than ever. This versatile brush is perfect for cleaning corners, narrow spaces, and various surfaces. Use it on dining tables, kitchen counters, air conditioners, and more. It's a handy tool for any cleaning task. What we like? This tool is made of durable plastic and features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. It's designed to reach tight spaces and clean various surfaces. If you like a versatile cleaning tool for window tracks, grooves, and other household areas, this is a must-have. What people say. What a handy tool that did not know existed. It is the perfect size for cleaning the window and sliding door tracts. Just the right size and configuration for doing its job. This little crevice tool fit perfectly in the tracks and my windows and door literally look brand new. Number 3. ITTAHO 12 Squeegee and Scrubber Combo. This innovative design allows you to clean every corner. Press the button to adjust the angle, making it perfect for curved edges and odd-shaped windows. It makes cleaning easier. This combo includes a 12-inch squeegee and a microfiber scrubber. The natural rubber blade ensures a streak-free finish. It effortlessly removes dirt and grime. The included 53-inch stainless steel pole extends to reach high windows. You can adjust the length to suit your needs. It's durable and sturdy for tough cleaning tasks. The package includes a 12-inch squeegee, 2 11-inch microfiber scrubbers, and an extendable pole. It's everything you need for sparkling clean windows. It is a great gift for anyone. ITTAHO is committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. Contact us anytime with questions or suggestions. We'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? This squeegee boasts a swivel design, allowing for easy cleaning of curved edges and odd-shaped windows. It comes with an extendable pole for reaching high windows. If you are looking for a versatile tool that provides streak-free results and can handle various window types, this is the one for you. What people say. Our cleaning service specifically requested this long-handled squeegee, and it works well. It comes with rubber-like and cloth squeegee heads for washing and drying windows. The cloth cover is removable and washable. Great for cleaning our park model windows. Great product. I love getting my windows cleaned. Solid made material, easy to assemble. Number 2. Aquarium Glass Magnetic Scrubber Cleaner for Tanks. Tired of algae? This magnetic scrubber makes cleaning your aquarium a breeze. Simply move the handle, and the inside brush follows, removing grime effortlessly. Designed for glass tanks, this scrubber features a no-scratch, felt-lined handle. It ensures your aquarium stays clean without any damage. The inside brush floats, so you don't have to worry about retrieving it from the bottom of the tank. It's always within reach. With a strong magnet, this cleaner works on tanks with different glass thicknesses. It's ideal for tanks between 40 and 60 gallons. The soft, anti-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, making cleaning easier. It saves you time and effort, so you can enjoy your aquarium more. Measuring 4.09 inches * 2.16 inches * 2.95 inches, this cleaner is compact yet powerful. It's the perfect tool to keep your fish tank sparkling. What we like. This aquarium cleaner features a floating design, preventing it from sinking to the bottom of your tank. It uses a strong magnet for effective cleaning and is gentle on your glass. If you have an aquarium and want an easy, safe way to keep your tank clean, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. It cleans thoroughly without missing a spot. Magnets are strong and have no issues with going around corners with them. Inside magnet floats for easy retrieval if lost. Very handy for easily cleaning away diatoms and algae from the tanks inside. I had been using an old magnetic cleaner that scraped using razor blade-like metal inside. It had gotten rusty, so I decided to try this glass cleaner. When I ordered it, I didn't notice that it was supposed to float. I have a 255-gallon tanks, and the floating of cleaner has been a really nice surprise. With my old cleaner, I had to go really slowly and carefully when cleaning the corners, else I ended up with my arm in the tank to retrieve the scraper, which defeated the reason for having a magnetic cleaner. Having the inside cleaner that floats makes a big difference in how quickly I can clean the tank's glass. When trying to clean a place where the algae and diatoms are hard to come off, I can scrub it back and forth vigorously. If the scrubber comes loose, it is simple to grab it magnetically at the top and resume cleaning. With my old non-floating magnetic cleaner, I not only had to get wet retrieving the scrubber from the bottom, but I had to clean away sand that was attached. The plastic scrubbing bristles are perfect in their size, density, and stiffness. Algae and diatoms are quickly cleaned away from the glass without the scrubber needing to be cleaned of accumulated algae. I have old glass tanks, but the bristles are plenty soft to be safe with acrylic tanks. Number 1. AnHua Magnetic Window Cleaner. Introducing the AnHua Magnetic Window Cleaner. This tool makes cleaning glass effortless. It's designed to make your windows sparkle. This cleaner features built-in sponge pieces. It ensures no scratches and easily removes water stains. It's a great helper for cleaning glass. The strong magnet keeps it attached to the glass. The double-sided design cleans quickly, saving you time and effort. Remember not to use it on broken glass. Easy to use, just attach the safety rope. Then, place one part outside and the other inside. Hold the rope and quickly clean your windows. Made from high-quality ABS material, it's sturdy and long-lasting. It won't easily deform, ensuring it can be used for a long time. It's suitable for 3 to 8 mm single-layer glass. Perfect for home windows or high-altitude glass. Get yours today. What we like. This double-sided magnetic cleaner features a strong magnet for secure attachment and easy operation. It includes a built-in sponge for effective cleaning. If you are looking for a simple, efficient way to clean both sides of your windows simultaneously, then this is the ideal solution. What people say. Excellent, tal como lo anuncia. Returned. It does not magnet together for the double-side door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.